Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and we're about to see the Hanover Autry Park, the Hanover Autry Park. So we're going to go now into the bedroom and the bathroom. We're going to see that in detail. So let's take a look. Okay, this is a king-size bed. Wow, I love that bed, by the way. But king-size bed, and man, there's plenty of room for not just the bed, but the nightstands. It seems like it's maybe about 11 feet tall on the ceilings. Great looking window over here, so I love that window. And then there's the wall here. So it's a really cute master bedroom. The floor, by the way, there is just this luxury woodish vinyl that's here. There's no carpet. Also, you are looking here in the bathroom, and the bathroom is really pretty. It's got these huge, looks like 24 by 24 piece tiles. That's not cheap. So I love seeing that in there too. And then here's the dual vanity. Lots of space in here for two people, you and that special someone to be here. Very, very nice. I also like the undermount open cabinet area. This is pretty cool. I don't see that a lot, so that's a nice feature. Here is the shower with the tub that you would have here at the one bedroom. And then we'll walk into the closet. Now the closet is a really nice size walk-in. I walked about 4 or so steps. So I liked this amount of shelving, but then there is this built-in shelf that's really cool. I love seeing this here. This is great. So there really is a lot of space in here. This could hold, I mean, that can hold, of course, your things on hangers, but then this would be like sweaters, socks, stack the jeans, those kind of things. That's perfect for there. So this is now complete as far as the one bedroom bath, and we're walking out here so you can see this. And hey, tell me what you think about it. This is an elegant, beautiful high rise. It feels crisp. I think you're going to love the thought of living here, and it's time for you to maybe take some action. So my number is below. Send me a text and say, hey, Grant, I'd love to get more information about the Hanover Autry Park. I've got a great connection here, and I would love to help you find your perfect place here, and then also get you just any information you need, and even set up the tours. So send me that text on the number below. Hey, we've got more to see at Hanover Autry Park. We're gonna go see the 2 bedroom. Let's go do that right now.